special and she reckless. Remember, you're my bestest friend. Yeah, she my bestie. My love for you is endless. Nobody else can end it. And when I get the money back, then baby girl, you can spend it. And everything is alright. I like how you doing alright, alright. Like how you think.
Thinking ice ice baby. It is.
Fight against hunger took on new meaning when she became a mother herself and met a struggling mom in Cambodia.
Cure. We have, there is a cure. The cure is that the food is, we have it.
Hey friends! So I'm here trying to try a new idea of a dory. I wanted to do the star. The star came by itself, but I wanted to add the other decor with it. I'm just turning it, flipping it back and forth so you can see it. Because I just wanted to try something new. And the more I looked at it, the more I was like, well, I should have bought more decor. But for now, that's what I settled with. And so I'm going to play with it a little bit, move it around a little bit just to see what it looks like. And actually it came out pretty good. It was different, not the regular wreath that you would put on your door, but I liked it because it was different. So here and there I was trying to find something different. Also just wanted to let you know, for the encouraging word for the day is go for it. If there's anything in your life that you want to do and wanted to look into doing and said, oh, I just don't know if I have the strength, or you think it's too late, it's never too late to start. Just start again and honestly pray about it, seek God for it, and I guarantee you it'll all work out. The thing is that what you have to do is do it when you're most fearful, because I've learned it. Do it when you're most afraid, and that's when you'll get the best results. Ha! Just like my reef. Take care, guys.
like a light, lighting up in the dark. You make it right, I forgot how to act, it's so classic. Every time you make me nervous and I lose my words. It's been a while since I forgot the most simple words.
This is the haul for, I'm trying to put my hair together, of course. This is the haul for Marshalls. Well, it's going to be a mixture. It's going to be Marshalls and Tuesday Morning. Because they were, I went to both of them on the same day. So I was like, you know what? And I don't even think I did any video for Marshalls. But that's because, okay, every Marshalls is a little different. To me, it is. And this one didn't have as much stuff as I thought that I was going to get. So I just went ahead and just went down the street to Tuesday Morning. So that's what happened. So. Alright, so here we go. Let's start with Marshalls first. I don't know. I always get this stuff, and this is just me. But I love the rosemary mint vinegar. This is vinegar and rosemary. I'm sorry, vinegar and rosemary oil. And I love the rosemary, and I don't recall the vinegar, but I smelled it and I like it. So this is going to be in the kitchen, of course. This is where I'm going to use that. And then I'm going to put this in my middle, in the middle of the table, in my it's not the craft room, it's precision dance room. It's well, my work room basically. So this is going to be in the middle, and I'm going to put stuff in it, like my fabric scissors and all that stuff. So that's what that's for. And I might do the turntable on it too. So this will be on top of the turntable. Remember that pretty turntable I was talking about? Wait a minute, I got it. So if I'm sorry y'all, I'm thinking as I go. So here it is. If I take the turntable, remember this turntable, isn't it pretty? And I put this on top. See, that's what I'm saying. But I might, now I'm not going to paint this wood. I love this color, I love that. But I might paint this. So we'll see. I mean, you know me, I'm gonna change it up regardless. What else did I get? And for some reason we have a lot of spiders around here. I'm trying to keep them out. They're not in the house per se anymore, because we pretty much got rid of them in the house. But the garage, so I went and got some, this is called Stay Away Spiders. So this was at Marshalls? Well, it was in the bag, so I guess so. So then I got some more spray. Yeah, I did. I got some more. Oh no, I didn't. Here we go. I like these bottles. I love these bottles. They remind me of Grove Collaboration, and so I went ahead and got those. And then what I did is I bought at Target Grove Collaboration, like the orange tangerine, I think it's what it's called. And then I'm going to put that mixture in this bottle. So I'm not spending $15 for the bottle, and then $7-8 for the liquid. So I don't want to do that. That's like what, 20, almost, it's too much money. So I got two of them, two of these to do that. And this was pretty. So this was, and I love Ray Dunn. So anything Ray Dunn, I kind of cater toward it. Let me see. I'm trying to get my lighting, y'all. I'm sorry. I don't know why my lighting's so bad. My blinds are closed. I don't know why. But I like this. And so honestly, I can use these at any time. You know, I could put the hand soap in any of the bathrooms. But what I really got it for was the tray, because I like the tray. And we're going to put the tray in the kitchen to get rid of the old little bucket that I have there that holds my my pads and my little sponges and stuff. So that's why. And I'm trying to eliminate as much stuff possible in the kitchen area, because I want my bar to be clean. So I'm just trying to minimize it a little bit. And then Tuesday morning, had a couple of things that I liked. I picked this up. This is just a notebook, but right now in my business room, this is what I'm doing. I'm doing the black and white. I call it the zebra. So right now at my desk, I have a lot of black and white going on, and eventually, once I figured out how to make it look good, I'll show you. So that's what that was for. And then of course I still have my little Cricut going on, and I've picked up some more of the vinyl adhesive rollings. This is gonna be so pretty because I picked up colors I couldn't find. So I picked these up Tuesday morning, and yes, so that's gonna go in more with my collaboration. And I love slippers. I'm getting into the slippers that, not the ones that you put in between your toes, but just the ones you just slip on, but your toes are out, and not in, because for some reason it makes me hot. My toes are in, but I got some of those. But those are for the fall, for the winter and the fall. These are just for now. Look at these. These are so cute. Look at that. Aren't those pretty? So that's what I got though. I got these, and I got another pair of slippers at Marshall's, but I had already got those before this haul. So isn't those cute? I think these were like 12. Are these no, $9.99. $9.99. Y'all see that? Can y'all see that? There you go. And I think last but not least, I like baskets and bags, and so I picked this one up because I really liked it, but I'm going to be doing something with it. So I'm going to use my Cricut to do it. So I'm going to put a little display on it. You'll see. I don't know. I'm always trying to do other stuff because I get these little ideas as I'm looking at DIYs and all. So yes, that's what I'm going to be working on here. And I think that's it. I think that's all I have right now. So thank you for joining me today. If you have any questions or concerns, feel free to just slip me an email. I don't know. I'm not one of these people who just want you just to subscribe because I'm looking for subscribers. But if you'd like, not a problem. I'm going to be doing these for a while along with my crafting and along with my words of wisdom and along with Precision Pop-Up and Shop. So I'm just going to be doing a whole lot of things that I like to do. I'm going to be, I'm doing what you call to me. I'm looking at an evaluation of self-help, or self-care. Let's put it that way, self-care. Because I felt like the past couple of years, I've done everything that everybody else wanted me to do. This is time for me to do me. And it's not really, everybody doesn't understand why that you won't go to the conferences or stop going to the conferences, and I'm not dancing the way I used to, and and honestly, I still dance here and there. I don't, if I get invited to, I'm gonna go, I'm gonna do, but if it's, I gotta pray about it. I gotta pray about it so that it doesn't conflict with my life. I mean, I don't want it to be draining anymore. Can I say that? I'm gonna be real here. I don't want to be drained. I want to still be energetic and vibed after, I come from a conference. I know you're gonna be tired after you lay down and go to sleep and you're rejuvenated. But sometimes, and this was just me, I'm not saying everybody, but sometimes even the preparation of conferences is just draining, and I'm exhausted. And I'm exhausted for a couple of days because it's just literally, that's another segment for another time. That's another segment for another time. So Thank you for watching. And you know, I think I'm gonna do a Bath and Body Works too, and you'll see that one come through, and a couple of more. I mean, I'm gonna be popping up and shopping, honey. I'm gonna be popping up all over the place. I'm gonna be going back to East Texas to do a pop up and shop. I'm gonna be pop up and shopping in East Texas. I'm going to just be up. Look, I'm going to be doing me. And along with it, I'm going to be praying. And along with it, I'm going to be talking words of wisdom. And along with it, that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to exhale. Y'all have a good one. And take care of yourselves. Enjoy yourselves. Take care.